seat in there. This will probably be part of the same video as a bucket seat.
Is it? It's a different day.
It is a different day, but it's the same timeline.
It's a lie. The whole world's a lie. Everything you read online's a lie.
Different day, same timeline. And Pete also fitting an exhaust. Go on, give us a tickle.
Not my house.
Very naughty, sir. Very naughty.
Hold the steering wheel.
Yeah, pretty fucking shock it.
Oh, everything's easier with a gun.
Penetration.
That prong,
Yeah.
that touches against that, which gives it which gives it a feed.
But I need to earth it somehow. This one's got 2. This one's got 1. And the horn's got 2.
Shouldn't it just earth on the body of the box?
Yeah, on through there.
I don't know. Remember before we had to solder? Is that? That's all the way it goes on. Fuck me! Don't catch many. Not catching many splines. It's not exactly straight though. Fuck me! It's out. Like it's either going to be like that or like that.
Do you want to mark the top of the hole that you want? I've got a Sharpie.
No, that's...
There's someone coming. New level of bodge.
The cup's now become part of the engine.
Yep, just get a cup in there, a plastic cup from a festival.
Watch it melt.
Nah. I mean, high temp. This is like race car parts. This is like.
This is lightweight.
Who needs nylon when you've got a festival cup?
Exactly. Ah.
A £15 Amazon cone filter.
Next day delivery.
All for the mods. We live for the mods.
You seen our bud? Man's got a cup on his intake.
I mean, that's mint. Okay. That's race car. That's lightweight race car parts.
See why I cut it off now?
Can you hear it sucking, can you?
I love it sucking dit.
Is it working?
Don't know yet.
What we got? We
Pink
got
Panther.
Paint Panther. Trying that out.
It stings chemically.
Is it working then?
It's not orange. It's the right colour.
Very good.
Don't know. I'm just trying this on this. Oh shit! Yeah, it's fucking good for that actually.
Where's the metal polish?
What?
You could, didn't it?
Polish the whole thing.
Yeah, you could though, ain't it?
Fuck that.
It's already reflective, like, look at that.